Right. Yeah. Welcome back. So on the board, we are still on the mode concept. So on the mode concept, we have the first one, which I say mass to what? To mode. All right. In the mass to mode, we made it as a division so that it will be very simple for you. Even if you don't understand it or you not remember it, just bear it in mind that you have to divide. So when we say mass to mode, it means they will give you a question that has mass for you to find the mode. That's the reason why they use division. Am I communicating now? So watch now. Now, solution. They in this aspect, they only give you two. So they say the first one says, what is the number of mole present in 40 grams of calcium oxide? And bear in mind that in everything we are discussing in chemistry, we usually make use of the atomic masses, the valencies, everything. So those are the engine of chemistry. Do you understand? We're supposed to discuss the valencies, how to form the valencies, how to calculate the relative atomic masses or relative molecular masses, all those things. We're supposed to do it. But I have assumed that some of you guys might know it. Do you understand? So chemistry, the engine of chemistry must contain the atomic masses, the valencies. That is the engine of chemistry. So if you don't know the atomic masses, if you don't know the molecular masses, if you don't know the valencies, chemistry might be very difficult for you. Why? Because if you are solving something like empirical formulas, molecular formulas, all those things, you make use of atomic masses. Am I communicating? So that is it. So let's move now. So watch. What is the number of mole present in 40 grams of what? Calcium oxide. Now, you first have asked, what is the formula? Number of mole is equal to what? Mass, small letter, all over molar mass as a capital letter. Now, the mass is given. That was the reason why they said division. So if you watch now, this is divided by this. So see it now. So the mass to go. That was the reason why I decided to be doing it one after the other so that it will not confuse you. Am I communicating? So this is the first one now. Number of mole is equal to mass over molar mass, which is the mass is given to you. That's just why they say that mass to mole. The mass must be given, which is 40 divided by what is the molecular formula of calcium oxide? You just write it aside. What is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of oxygen is what? 40 plus 16, which is 56. 56. So you divide it. 40 divided by what? 56 is what? So 40 divided by 56 will give you 0.714. 0.714 what? Mole. You must attach the SI unit. Because if you don't attach the SI unit, your mark will not be full. Or they will not give you your full mark. So am I communicating now? So watch. So the mass over molar mass is not the division. We did division. So 0.714 mole. Am I communicating now? So jot it down. Let's enter into number 2. So that is it. Alright. Having jotted down, let's still move on. That's good. So watch. Number 2 says, calculate the number of mole present in 10 grams of HCl. The same thing. He said mass in molar mass, which is 10 grams all over what? HCl is what? The hydrogen there is what? 1 plus 35.5, which is what? 36.5, which is equal to 10 divided by what? 36.5 will give you what? 10 divided. Are you following me? 10 divided by what? 36.5, which is what? 0.273. Then we approximate it. It will now be 0.274. 0.274 mole. So watch it now. Do you understand? Why we are making use of the 3 decimal points is because in everything we are doing, scientists have already said that we have to make use of the 3 decimal points because the points might be varied. depending. Maybe some people that are using as if you want to approximate it now, it might be difficult. So approximating it in two decimal points is not good. We usually make use of the three decimal point because that's the balance code. So that somebody might get 0.11, someone might get 0.19. If you approximate it now, it will not be the same thing. But that three decimal point is just trying to tell you that in every aspect, all of them must be equal. Am I making sense? So write it down. Let's go on to the next part.